As technology continues to evolve, it's making its way into our kitchens and changing the way we approach meal planning and cooking. Imagine having a dinner experience that's not only delicious but also enhanced by the latest tech innovations. Today, we'll explore how technology can revolutionize your dinner ideas, making meal preparation more efficient, enjoyable, and creative. One of the most exciting advancements in kitchen technology is the advent of smart appliances. Smart ovens, for instance, can be controlled via your smartphone, allowing you to preheat the oven, monitor cooking progress, and even receive notifications when your meal is ready. These ovens come with built-in sensors and cameras that ensure your food is cooked to perfection every time. With precise temperature control and cooking modes, smart ovens take the guesswork out of preparing complex dishes. AI-driven recipe apps are another game-changer in the kitchen. These apps use artificial intelligence to suggest personalized recipes based on your preferences, dietary restrictions, and the ingredients you have on hand. Imagine opening your fridge, inputting a few ingredients into the app, and receiving a list of delicious recipes tailored just for you. AI recipe apps can also adapt recipes based on your skill level and cooking time, ensuring that you always have a suitable dinner idea at your fingertips. Meal planning has never been easier with the help of digital meal planning apps. These apps allow you to create weekly meal plans, generate shopping lists, and even find deals at your local grocery stores. By organizing your meals in advance, you can save time, reduce food waste, and ensure that you're eating balanced, nutritious dinners throughout the week. Some apps even offer meal prep guides, helping you prepare ingredients in advance for quick and easy cooking on busy nights. Smart kitchen gadgets are also making a big impact on how we prepare dinner. From smart scales that provide precise measurements to intelligent blenders that adjust blending times and speeds based on the ingredients, these gadgets streamline the cooking process and improve the quality of your meals. For example, a smart sous vide device allows you to cook meats and vegetables to the perfect doneness by immersing them in a precisely controlled water bath. The result is restaurant-quality dishes that you can easily prepare at home. Voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are becoming indispensable kitchen helpers. These devices can set timers, convert measurements, and provide step-by-step cooking instructions, all hands-free. By integrating voice commands into your cooking routine, you can stay organized and focused on creating delicious meals without having to touch your phone or cookbook. Augmented reality is also making its way into the culinary world. AR apps can overlay cooking instructions and nutritional information onto your kitchen counter, guiding you through the cooking process in an interactive and engaging way. Imagine wearing AR glasses that display recipe steps right in front of you, eliminating the need to constantly refer to a screen or a book. This technology can make cooking more intuitive and fun, especially for beginners. Sustainability is another area where technology is making a difference. Smart kitchen appliances can help reduce energy consumption by optimizing cooking times and temperatures. Additionally, tech-driven meal planning apps can promote the use of seasonal and locally sourced ingredients, supporting sustainable eating habits. By incorporating technology into your dinner ideas, you can make more environmentally conscious choices and reduce your carbon footprint. In conclusion, technology is transforming the way we think about and prepare dinner. From smart appliances and AI-driven recipe apps to digital meal planning and augmented reality, these innovations are making cooking more efficient, enjoyable, and creative. By embracing these technological advancements, you can elevate your dining experience and make every meal a culinary adventure. If you're excited about the future of cooking and want to stay updated on the latest tech innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's cook up something amazing together.